guys, welcome to my channel, and today I want to introduce some snap jewelries. We have kinds of snap jewelry like bracelets and pendants, necklaces and rings available in our website. So what today I will introduce for you, and let's see our desk first. Now we see our desk, there have 5 design snap buttons. Only just put some of them, and we have more kind of snap buttons. And this is 3 style, just a pendant, snap pendant. And we say this a royal with shining rhinestone snap button pendant. Also we can buy for DIY. DIY is interchangeable snap jewelries. And also there are also antique silver tones. Pendant round shapers, okay, and so we can just mix and match styles for infinite customizable jewelries. Now we try one, and we see how it look like. Okay, now we say I already wear the pendant in my neck. Okay, we try one and we see how it look like. Nice, very beautiful things. And if you don't like such kind of one, just change your snap and simply put them out of the ring and necklace and bracelets with your finger and replace them with a new style, new designs. So every day you are just make a new necklace for yourself. So someone will pass it. What is paired for ginger snap jewelries? Ginger snap jewelry is a fun new style of interchangeable jewelries, and it starts with a stylish bracelet for women, as well as necklaces, rings, accessories. So I try this one, okay? This kind of things for you. So snappers that you can snap in and out, and give the ability to change things up to fit your mood or match your outfits. It's all about individualities. Ginger snapper jewelries are fun for us. Very beautiful things. Very beautiful pendants you can make by yourself. Just just purchase them, okay? The third one, use the work snap button and press inside. Very beautiful things made. Though there give you a lot of options. And as you build up your collection of interchangeable snapper, your option for changing things up gets even broader. There are over 300 different snappers to choose from. That is very flexible for you to change, and price not so expensive. This price snap pendant only need you $1.23, and you can get this one. Okay, so very reasonable price, and you can get so much goods, jewelries. Why don't you choose them? Okay, if you are interested in them, and you can just pay attention to our website. We have more kind of snap jewelries for you to choose.